Friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today, we will prepare a very tasty, hearty, and completely low-carbohydrate dinner, stuffed squid without rice. This dish is perfect for a keto diet and for people with diabetes because it contains no fast-acting carbohydrates while delivering amazing flavor and texture. For this recipe, we need 8 cleaned squid tubes, a source of easily digestible protein with 0 carbohydrates, 250 grams of champignon mushrooms, low in calories, rich in antioxidants and B vitamins. 1 onion, 3 eggs, provide protein and healthy fats. 80 grams of spinach for one of the fillings, rich in iron, magnesium, and vitamin K. 100 grams of cream cheese, for example, Philadelphia, can be replaced with sour cream. 50 grams of mozzarella cheese, a small amount of heavy cream, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh herbs, parsley or green onion, salt and black pepper. We finely chop the champignon mushrooms, onion, eggs, herbs, and garlic. This makes filling the squid easier and ensures an even distribution of ingredients inside. In a mixture of butter and ghee, we saute the onion until translucent. Then we add the mushrooms and cook over high heat so that they brown rather than steam. We divide the cooked mushrooms into 2 portions. Filling number 1, to the mushrooms, we add chopped eggs, fresh herbs, mozzarella, and a couple of tablespoons of sour cream. We mix everything to get a tender and aromatic filling. Filling number 2, to the mushrooms, we add spinach, heat it for 1 to 2 minutes, then add cream cheese, heavy cream, salt, and pepper to taste. This results in a creamy, very delicate texture. We leave the squid tubes raw. They will cook in the oven and remain soft. We fill them to about 2/3 full so that during baking, the filling does not spill out. We close the opening with a toothpick. For the sauce, we use leftover cream cheese, sour cream, dried garlic, salt, and a small amount of cream to thin it if needed. This sauce will add extra juiciness to the dish. We arrange the squid in a baking dish, pour the sauce over them, cover with foil, and bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Then we remove the foil, turn on the grill function, sprinkle the squid with grated mozzarella, and bake for another 15 to 20 minutes until golden. The squid comes out soft, tender, and not rubbery at all. The 2 different fillings offer a choice, with herbs and eggs or with spinach and cream cheese. This dish contains a minimum of carbohydrates and is high in protein. For a balanced macronutrient profile, we can serve it with a salad dressed with olive oil. Recipe taken from the channel Keto and Low Carb Recipes.